to take a quick minute and review. This is for all of you having some trouble understanding place value and powers of 10. So I'm going to do a couple examples that I wanted you to see, and I just think this is really important to kind of grasp this idea because it's difficult. I'm not going to lie. But if you could start to see the pattern, remember math and patterns are super important. We've talked about that before. But just to take the problem, 10 times 10, right, we know that equals 100, right? But this can also be 10 squared. We talk about exponents, right? This equals 10 times 10, which equals 100. So we can say that 10 squared equals 100, okay? So let's find the pattern. That's what I want to talk to you about. So going back here, what would be your assumption of 10 to the fourth? Well, 10 to the fourth is 10 times 10. You can go watch this video. It's a ways back, but I just wanted to throw this in there again just in case. And that's, right, 10 times 10 times 10 is 10,000, okay? The pattern here is that the 4 is representative of how many zeros would be in our answer. So we would have 4 zeros. We look, there's the comma, right? So what we can use this for is bridging the gap and bridging the understanding and saying, well, what happens if we're multiplying numbers? Does that change it? No, it doesn't, okay? Because really what this could be is 1 times 10 to the fourth. Notice that there's that pattern, okay? Well, what happens if we have a 4 instead of a 1? We just add 4 zeros to it, okay? So when we think of that, there's a pattern when we're multiplying by exponents. And the same thing goes with decimals. What's happening here is that the decimal is moving 3 times. We can look at it like that. It's multiplying by 10. What this really means is 1.2 times 1,000. Okay, and when we do that, we want to add 3 zeros, but the fact is when we add a 0, it's really moving the decimal over. And so how this moves is, if I rewrite it down here, how this moves: 1, 2, 3, we moved it 3 times, and it would be 0, 0, and the decimal's here now, so the answer here is actually 1,200. Notice that it's representative of the 1,000, right? So for another example, let me just do one more. If we took times 10 to the fourth, move over 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Here's our decimal here. Add the 0. The answer is 71090, or 71,090. So that's kind of the pattern that we're looking for. This is really good. It helps it do it quickly, because do the multiplication quickly, because really what we're multiplying is 10,000 times 7.109, and if we see the pattern, we don't have to go through and multiply all these numbers. We can just, oh, I know the decimal moves over a bunch. In this case, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Boom, our answer is there. So hope that makes sense. Just a brief, quick understanding of multiplication and powers of 10 with place value.